So as you might know, Pump.Fun has been around for a while, you know, with launching meme coins and stuff. But yeah, nowadays it's pretty saturated, you know, like of course it's still possible to get super rich with this shit. Of course, when people are looking to buy a meme coin, they are looking for like a new platform or like a new way to buy meme coins that don't go to zero that fast. And one of those platforms to launch a meme coin on is Raydium. So for example, if you go to Photon, you can see here new pairs, and you can see dexes, and you can see a lot of dexes, you know, like this kind of shit. But the main two are Raydium and Pump.Fun. So as you can see that almost all of the meme coins are being launched on Pump.Fun. Like every second there is a tons of meme coins being launched there. But if you only select Raydium, you will see that not that many meme coins are being launched on Raydium. And as you can see with the market cap, every meme coin that gets launched on Raydium gets to fucking crazy market caps. Like there's not one. This one is the lowest right now, and it's a shit meme coin as well. It looks ugly as fuck. The reason for that is when you launch a meme coin on Raydium, you need to be a developer. You need to develop, like you need to know coding and programming and all that shit in order to launch a meme coin on Raydium. But the crazy part of this shit is that I found a new website that allows you basically to launch a meme coin on Raydium without having to know how to code or program. So basically this new website that allows you to launch a meme coin on Raydium is called coinfast.fun. So if you go to coinfast.fun, you can literally connect your wallet like I did already here. You can connect your wallet and you can launch your own meme coin on Solana here on Raydium. So this is basically how you can turn your $100 into like 500, your 500 into 1,000, and you can continue this way until you reach like millions, like many other people do. And in this video, I will show you live how to do this. So I will launch a meme coin live in this video to show you guys the proof that this is the new method that is insane, like it prints insane amounts of money. So for this example, I already did some research. You know, what I usually do is I go to Pump.Fun, I go to Photon, and I look on, you know, meme coins that are trending, like what's popping right now. Like if you go to Meme Scope, you know, what always works well in my opinion, and what has always worked for me is dogs and cats, like cute pictures of dogs and cats. That's like the main meta of like the whole meme coin space. So yeah, also there was a period with AI. Nowadays, dogs and cats are coming back. You had, of course, with the elections, you could make a bunch of different meme coins with that. Donald Trump even made a meme coin recently. It's fucking crazy. Yeah, I'm basically gonna launch a meme coin with this image. So I already made a design. I'm gonna call it SHOPDOG. You know, I went to Canva. I made a 500 by 500 logo, and I made this, and I just downloaded it. It's that easy, guys. So you go to coinfast.fun. You're gonna connect your wallet. You know, you can hear disconnected, and I'm gonna show you guys. Boom, I connected it already. When you do it the first time, you will see that Phantom is gonna pop up in your browser, Chrome extension, you know. And then you need to, of course, approve the connection. So that's what I did already. And yeah, for this purpose of this video, we're gonna launch the meme coin SHOPDOG. So we're gonna type in SHOPDOG. And for the ticker, you know, the symbol is the ticker of the coin. So we're gonna call it SHOPDOG. Then you can simply just upload the image you just made of your meme coin. So I just uploaded it. Boom, there we have it. We press on next. This is already pre-filled in, so that's amazing. So you have like decimals, we're gonna use 9, and the total supply is 1 billion. And here you have the description of your meme coin. So we're gonna do like the cutest dog on Solana, something like that, you know, just, it doesn't really matter. For the website, you don't have to fill in anything. You have here the modified creator information, you know, it's already turned on. Also, these 3 options is already turned on automatically. But this one we can just turn it off because it doesn't really matter that much. Like people won't really see the creator information, so that doesn't really matter. If you have a website for your meme coin, of course you can fill it in here. But yeah, for this method that I'm showing, it doesn't really matter, guys. Like maybe later when this method becomes a little bit more saturated, we have to put in a little bit more effort to make people buy our meme coin. Like we have to create a website, maybe a Twitter or Telegram. But for now, this is not necessary, so you don't have to do this. So the next step is that you have here revoke authorities. And what this basically means is that if you unselect this, so if you have it, for example, like this means that you can adjust the token information, like you can adjust everything later after it has been launched. This means that you basically can add more supply after your token has been created. And this basically means, well, you can read it here, that you can freeze the token accounts of holders. So if you're not gonna select this shit, that basically means that you can adjust everything with your meme coin and no one is gonna buy your meme coin, because who is going to buy a meme coin where you can adjust everything and even freeze the token accounts of holders? Like, no one is gonna buy your meme coin. So you have to select everything. So the next step for this is that you just create the token. Yeah, you get all kinds of warnings from Phantom, but you can completely ignore that. So you just press on proceed anyway. And I will show you guys that like this is not some weird scam or something. So you can just press on confirm, and I will even show you live right now. I'm doing this. So you can see confirming transaction. I'm launching the meme coin right now. Like, this is going to be a Solana token on the Solana network. It takes a couple of seconds, but as you can see, the token has been created successfully. Here you have the token address, and now you can also view it on the Explorer. So when you press on there, you can see that your token has been created, SHOPDOG. So this is pretty nice. Our token has been created. If you look at, you can see also on the metadata and the attributes, like you can see the creator website. So if you want to not have this information here, you need to turn on that option and you need to fill in your own information. But it doesn't really matter, guys. Like, no one is gonna really pay attention to that and gonna look at that. So the next step to make this work, so now your token is created, but now you need to create a liquidity pool. So you press this button, create liquidity pool, and you will automatically land on this Raydium, on the Raydium website. So basically, if you are stubborn and you want to, you know, go to Raydium yourself, what you can do is you just go to liquidity, create new liquidity, and then you press on standard AMM, continue, and then you basically land on the same page. So what you do next is you're gonna connect the wallet that you just created your meme coin with. So you press on connect, boom. Now we have your wallet connected. For the base token, guys, I just created the meme coin, and I have still 2.5 Solana remaining in this wallet. So basically what you're gonna do is you're gonna go back to CoinFast, you're gonna copy the token address, you're gonna paste it in here, and there you have the symbol, and then you need to fill in the same name that you filled in. So my meme coin is called SHOPDOG, so we're gonna fill in, SHOPDOG there, symbol SHOPDOG, add user token, here we have it, and then you press max, and then you're just gonna remove that, and you're gonna fill in 900 million. This is really important because you have 1 billion tokens in your wallet, and you're gonna fill in, with the Raydium liquidity pool, you're gonna fill in 900 million. The quote token is gonna be Solana, and you can just do everything you have. You won't lose this money because this is basically that you are the first buyer. So you are not going to lose this money. Here it says a creation fee of 0.2 Sol is required for new pools. I don't know, like I will just do 2.3, I guess. And then the fee tier, you're gonna fill in 2%. So basically now you click on initialize liquidity pool. Then you need to confirm the transaction. Now you can see that the liquidity pool has been created. When you now go to Photon, you will actually see new pairs that your coin has been launched. Here our coin has been launched 17 seconds ago on the Raydium DEX. You can just go to the coin and you can see there's already 1.16k. Like it takes a little bit of a time to get this updated, but you can already see that the liquidity is 1.16k. So as you can see here, you're gonna copy the token address, and on DEX Screener you're just gonna go to a coin. You can just go to a coin, and in the URL you have DEX Screener /Solana/ the token address of that meme coin, and you're just gonna remove the token address and you're gonna fill in your own meme coin address. Okay, nice. So as you can see, we already have the token now on DEX Screener. So as you can see, we already got some buyers, but they also sold already, as you can see here. So the dev, we put in 2.3 Solana ourselves, and we got some people who bought already. And now it's basically what we need to do to make money with this is we need to go to portfolio, and we just need to refresh the page. And yeah, our liquidity pool, it takes some minutes, it takes some time for this to appear here. So we just need to wait and refresh. And in the meantime, there will be people who buy our meme coins. So we just need to wait for now. So we're just waiting right now. And as you can see, someone just bought 1 Solana of our meme coin. So that's really nice. So what I'm just gonna do is I'm gonna check on portfolio, and I'm just gonna keep refreshing the page because the liquidity pool has not shown up yet. So this can sometimes take some minutes. So I'm just gonna keep refreshing and waiting if there's gonna be more buyers for our meme coin. And once there are more buyers, you will see here an updated version and you can remove the liquidity. But remember guys, this is only for educational purposes only. Do not do this. So now we're just chilling, we're waiting, and we just got another person who bought. So as you can see, we got literally people buying our meme coin. As you can see, we're already at 2k of the liquidity. So we're just gonna wait now and until the portfolio, until the liquidity pool shows up, and then we can, if we want, we can remove all the liquidity. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna keep refreshing the liquidity. This can take some minutes guys, but yeah, I'm telling you guys, look, we just got another buy. As you can see, this method is pretty crazy, you know, like this method is just insane. Like you get people just buying your meme coin without doing any marketing. And the reason for that is because when you usually launch a meme coin on Raydium, you need to be a developer. You need to know how to launch your meme coin without this platform, you know, like coinfast.fun. Like this is the platform now where you can literally launch a Solana token, like a meme coin, that you don't need to have any knowledge about coding or developing anything. I'm, by the way, not affiliated in any way with them, but yeah, I just discovered this website, and yeah, this is like a sick new method that you can just launch meme coins on Solana, and this is just pretty insane. As you can see, the results speak for themselves right here, guys. Like we just got another small little buy, it's probably bots or something. So we're just chilling. We just saw that someone else bought. You can see all the transactions here, guys. Someone else just bought this meme coin as well. So that's pretty crazy. So now we're just waiting until the liquidity pool shows up at Raydium. All right, so as you can see, I just refreshed the page of Raydium with the portfolio tab here, as you can see at the standard one. And here the liquidity pool showed up. So what we can do now, if we want, you know, we still got people that bought our meme coin. So what we can do now, if we want, then we can just select here the minus, and we can press here 100%, and as you can see, $1,800. Remove liquidity, press confirm. As you see, we will get 4 Solana back. Remove liquidity, and as you can see, the liquidity has been going to go away. Now if you're gonna look in our wallet, boom, we got 4 Solana in. We put 2 Solana in or something like that, 2.3 I think, and we just made a bunch of Solana. Guys, I swear to God, this is the easiest method right now to launch meme coins, because Raydium, like not a lot of people know how to do this yet. So take advantage of this information when you still can. If you have any questions,